talaga ako na mali ako sa dash ko doon. Anyways, kung umabot yung man sa part ng video to, i-comment mo na kung taga...
Enchong, my loves, nakakaya kay mama. Ba't strict ang parents ko? First time na nagkaroon ng lalaki dito.
Di ba kagabi may...
Sino kagabi? Sino? Sino yung kagabi?
May karinig.
Ay! May camera! Nakakaloka to! Chong! Ano ba naman yan, Chong? Ganda ko naman ito ni Enchong, B. Nakakaloka naman to si Enchong. Ayoko nung ganito, Chong. Pag ganyan. Bilis ka muna. Wait lang, guys, ha. Naku, nahiya naman ako sa inyo. Si Enchong naman, nakakagulat. Ayoko ng ganito. Hindi ako ready. Di sana nag-ano din ako. Two-piece. Tapos diretso swimming. Enchong, my loves, nakakaya kay mama. Ba't strict ang...
Ako na sad. Ako yung intro vlogger eh. Hindi ako ikagulo ah. Pero ako, Joseph Sadillo, no? Aray. Yeah. Nagabo ni mo di ay? Ay, wala. Kung ano ah? Kinakas vlog. Huwag kayo pinador.
If you will take me out on a date, where will you take me?
I have a few questions first. Do you like coffee?
Yeah, I love coffee.
Do you like swimming?
Swimming? Yeah, I love swimming.
Chicken or beef?
Sorry, what?
Chicken or beef?
Beef.
Beef, okay. So we could go get coffee, and then after that, there's an infinity pool next to my place. And then after that, I really like unlimited Samgyu. There's a place we could go next to my house.
Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
I don't think I can top my bro right here. First date, so
If you will take me out on a date, where will you take me?
I have a few.
Table 2, I need Adam and Richard. Adam and Richard.
Hey, calm down. Don't do that.
Richard 95.
Don't do that.
Table on table 2, Brian.
Grip. Put your elbow down. Elbow down. Don't stare off of me, son. You come walk out the door. You sit up here and pull right. Don't care. Elbow down and grip. Elbow back. Grab the peg. You better straighten up. You got one more. Rotate. Rotate. Wrist. Elbow down and grip. Wrist. Wrist. You get back shoulder behind the pad. You gotta back up. Wrist. Wrist. Wrist back here. Wrist. Rotate. Stop. Left grip. This is my grip, guys. Don't fight me with this. You come down like this. Or you come down like that. Or you want it like that. You want to move your fingers. You want it to come down like that. Okay, I'm gonna close you first. Okay. Bring that shoulder in. Bring the shoulder in. Don't move. Shoulder in. Stop. Movement. The referee's grip. One foul. You have one foul. You cannot move after I say don't move. I'm gonna close you first. Bring your hand down to match you right there. Thumbs down. Open your hand. Open your hand. Thumbs down. Your elbows and shoulders good. Don't move. Don't move. Ready, go!
What was the original name of the Philippines before Magellan arrived? Okay, eto sasabihin ko sa inyo. If you are going to believe that there was one unified kingdom in the Philippines before the Spaniards came, well, you are mistaken. People have been peddling these tales for a long time and this is not true, undocumented. Ganito yan. You look at the Blair and Robertson, 52 volumes of primary documents that were translated into English. Makahanap kayo doon ng isang pangalan natin like the Kingdom of Maharlika. Maharlika as a king.
You gamble?
Do I gamble? I don't see the point in it.
Okay, when's the last time you...
Taod-taod sa kunawala kay grabe akong kapait sukad nawala akong mama. Gikan ko sa Australia ni biyahe kog Dubai.
And we can kill this, I think. No ulti. You see that? The burst. Replay. Seconds. Okay.
Panoorin natin to mga friends. Ang barena pala, hindi lang pangbutas. Pwede din palang gamitin pang cutting ng plywood or ng mga 2x2 mga friends. Gagayahin lang natin kung paano ginawa ni Kuya ang malupit niyang idea. Nice. Panoorin natin to mga
Are you okay? You're a bad cat.
Bago black, sige, try mo tong nesting. Subong ka pa dyan sa bossing mo na bunging. Lapang 4 wheels, partida. Lapitin ng chicks, lapitin ng pera. Swag ko na yung bawang, that's real gangsta.
May gabi kaniyang tanan, mga kapares. Uliin kagayan. Yeah. Come on, atong aking kabigin, kahit may birthday. Sa party na'y handang butiti, wami balo. Di ay ka tumakahilaw, low. Grabe among shot, o grabe among habang. Pagkataot, murami balibat, hey, wami balo. Di ay ka tumakahilaw, low. Come on!
Give me 5 na bagay. Mga bagay na tinatakpan. Okay. 45 seconds. Then nervous ka.
Medyo po.
Medyo. Okay. Go.
Pass.
Give me 5 na bagay.
May ano pa kayo? May what po? Kagabi din, whole baked sushi. The other day, baked sushi. So, lagi now a base. Yeah. Pwede to sa food. May ano pa kayo? May what po? Kagabi din, whole baked sushi. The other day, baked sushi. So, lagi now a base. Yeah. Pwede to sa food. May ano pa kayo? May what po?
Huwag ka bang barurong, ma'am? You do not know me from Adam.
Nalaman natin, meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para na sa reward system.
Do not make me account of something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Ano? Hindi naman ako COA.
Ako po kasi nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Eh, kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drugs. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang-hanap buhay yan eh.
Mr. President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of myself. Magtanong na kayo na magtanong, ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. That if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slower.
Panyero, you talk slower.
Okay.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan.
sa mga kongresista na kaalyado ng mga NPA, mahaya naman tayo sa topic ng pagpatay dahil kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagsasalita sa pagpatay ng NPA sa mga polis, sundalo at mamayang Pilipino. Sa NPA, nire-recruit ang mga kabataan para pabagsakin ang gobyerno at pumatay ng mga polis, sundalo at tropa ng gobyerno.
Kailangan mga Mr. Chair, bawal po pumalakpak dito. Kung gusto niyo pumalakpak, doon kayo sa labas. Maaari ba?
What kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog yan is ganun ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganun ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay is reported na namatay ay almost 20,000 to 30,000. So, were you disappointed on this, Mr. Kulang?
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Noong pong first SONA, nilapitan niya ako. Kinamayan pa niya ako. So hindi niya ako kilala.
Wala kasi kung niya ako hindi mo kilala.
This beautiful life 난 너의 곁에 있을게 This beautiful life 너 여기에 서 있을게 Beautiful life 하늘 아래 너와
Kung may ebidensya po tayo na involved siya sa droga, papatayin niyo rin po si Michael Yang.
Ako, maniwala ka.
Kung may mga ebidensya, papatayin niyo.
Tawagan kita kasama ko.
Hindi po. Ayoko pong maging...
Ano, bawal yan. That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo alam yan?
Beautiful your heart
Hindi pa tayo nasi-threaten doon.
Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Correct.
Very incorrect po,
Yes.
I say as a civilian, sa professional police.
That's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, duman ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes, salamat
Totoo
tayo.
yan. Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community. At kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor,
Silence, please.